Hello all and welcome back. In this video we're going to see some other extensions for Visual Studio Code. The first extension is vscode icons. Here you can see we have 3 files in our folder. Go to extensions and search for vscode icon. Install this extension and select the theme from command palette. Go back to Explorer, you'll get icons to your files. So this extension brings icons to your VS Code files. The second extension is CSS Peak. So here you can see we have applied header CSS to our P tag. So if I want to locate the CSS, I have to go to CSS file and I have to search for the CSS class. Now we can install CSS Peak extension, which allows you to go to definition of CSS or view the CSS. Now once it is installed, go to your HTML file. Press the control key and take the cursor on your CSS. So you'll find you can view the CSS. If you want to go to definition, press the control key and click on the CSS. So you will be in the CSS file and now you can modify the CSS. Third extension is auto rename tag. Now suppose here we have ordered list available. I want to rename this to unordered list. So if I change the opening tag, it will not automatically change the closing tag. So for that reason, we can install auto rename tag. Install this extension. Now if you rename any of the tag, like opening or closing, it will automatically rename the other tag. So if I change to UL tag, automatically closing tag will change. Now we have div tag. If you want to rename it to P tag, it will automatically change the closing tag. If you change the closing tag, it will change the opening tag. The fourth extension is HTML tag wrapper. So search for this extension, HTML tag wrapper. Install this extension. Now you can wrap the selected HTML tags by pressing Ctrl I. So let us go to HTML and let us select this P tag and button. So this is the selection and press Ctrl I. So it will be wrapped in div tag. Now you can simply rename this tag. I can rename it to P tag. So I hope these extensions will really help you while working with Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to us and click on bell icon to get more videos like this. And I will see you in the next video.